What is up guys, Dan at the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Anthropic Claude with n8n. So first head over to the n8n's website, and after that you just need to sign in with your n8n account. And after that, when you sign in the new tab, your n8n workflows will open and then you will be redirected to the homepage of n8n. And after coming to the homepage of n8n in the new tab, you need to open Anthropic console by just typing console.anthropic.com. And after that, on the left side, you need to click on API keys under the manage section. And from here, we will be creating a new key. But for now, we will go to n8n and then click on create workflow here on the right side. And after that, we will click on add first step and click on trigger manually. And after that, we will click on this plus icon again. And when you click on AI here on the top on the search bar, you need to type Claude. And after that, you will see the Anthropic chat model. Click on this, and then you just need to connect your Anthropic account by just clicking on create new credential. And from here, you just need to copy your API key. Now, for the API key, we will go to the Anthropic console and then click on create key. And after that, we will select the workspace, and after that I will just enter the random name for my key and click on add. And after that, a new key will be generated. So make sure that you copy it because this comes only one time, and when you close it, it won't appear again. So make sure that you copy it, and after that click on close and come back to n8n, click on this API key bar and paste it. After pasting your API key, simply click on save, and then you will see the credential has been successfully created. Now, why is this showing an error? Because I haven't entered more details like the model number by form list or from Cloud Sonnet. And after that, I haven't added an option like this maximum number of tokens. And when I am done, I will just simply click on execute, or I will just leave it, and then it will be automatically saved. And when I click on from AI, here it will show me that parent node hasn't run yet. So you can just run it by clicking on execute previous nodes. And in the settings, as you can see here, these are the nodes that you can type in, and if you want to display the note in the flow, you can turn this toggle on so your notes will display in the flow. And this is how you can create your Anthropic account to your n8n or the Anthropic Claude to your n8n. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.